गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन फ्रेंड्स, आज आमे एही क्लास रे प्लस टू सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स मानकर इनविटेशन टू इंग्लिश वन बुक रे से डैफोडिल्स पोएम रो क्वेश्चन आंसर गुडी को आलोचना करिबा। आउ सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर गुडी कर आलोचना मु करिवि। आपण माने मन दे सुनिबे। पुणी ए क्वेश्चन आंसर गुडी कर नोट्स आवर इंग्लिश ट्यूशन चैनल रो पीडीएफ रु संग्रह करि पारिबे। तबे आसंतो क्वेश्चन आंसर गुडी को आलोचना करिबा। मन दे सुनंतु। आउ आवर इंग्लिश ट्यूशन चैनल को जदि आपण माने सब्सक्राइब करि नाहंती तबे अति शीघ्र या को सब्सक्राइब करंतु, लाइक करंतु, आपण मानकर फ्रेंड्स मानक सहित शेयर करंतु। देखिबे बिना ट्यूशन रे आपण माने इंग्लिश रे 90% मार्क निश्चित रखिबे जदि रेगुलरली आवर इंग्लिश ट्यूशन चैनल को देखुथिबे। ओके, प्रसंग को आसीबा। आज रो टॉपिक डैफोडिल्स रो बही रे थिबा क्वेश्चन आंसर आलोचना करिबा। तत् सहित किछि एडिशनल क्वेश्चन आंसर मध्य से डैफोडिल पोएम रो आलोचना करिबा। ओके, मन देई सुनंतु। क्वेश्चन 1, व्हेन डिड द पोएट सी द डैफोडिल्स? कोन कहली? व्हेन डिड द पोएट सी द डैफोडिल्स? त माने कवि केते बेले डैफोडिल्स गुडी को देखिले? आंसर कहिबा, when the poet was traveling alone in the Lake District of England in search of natural beauty, he saw the daffodils. Hello, आउ थोड़े कहि रखुची आंसर। When the poet was traveling alone in the Lake District of England in search of natural beauty, he saw the daffodils. बुझिगला? Question number 2. Question number 2 होची, where did the poet see the daffodils? Where did the poet see the daffodils? माने कवि केउठारे डैफोडिल्स गुडी को देखिले? आंसर, the poet saw the daffodils under the trees by the lake. आउ थोड़े कहूची, the poet saw the daffodils under the trees by the lake. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks to describe the idea of stanza 1. कौन कहगला? Fill in the blanks to describe the idea of stanza 1. माने डैफोडिल्स पोएम रो स्टांजा 1 रे थिबा आइडिया को बुझेइबा पई एही शून्य स्थान पूरण करिबा। आपनका बहिर 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन टी को देखंतु। सेथिरे किछि डैश दिया हेछि। द पोएट वाज डैश इन द इंग्लिश कंट्रीसाइड, ही सॉ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डैश फ्लूटरिंग एंड डांसिंग बीनीथ द डैश एंड बिसाइड डैश। फुल स्टॉप। The daffodils appear to be dash in the strong breeze. पहले तामे आंसर सह पैराग्राफ टी को कहिबा। The poet was wandering in the English countryside. Full stop. He saw thousands of golden daffodils fluttering and dancing beneath the trees and beside the lakes. Full stop. The daffodils appeared to be dancing in the strong breeze. Full stop. Mane rahila. Question number 4. What does the poet compare the daffodils with? कौन कहली? What does the poet compares the daffodils with? तामाने कवि daffodil गुडी को काहा सहित तुलना करिसंती? का सहित? आकाशर तारा गुडी को सहित तुलना करिसंती. तेणु आंसर कौन हबो? He compares the daffodils with the numerous shining and twinkling stars on the Milky Way. कौन कहली? He compares the daffodils with numerous shining and twinkling stars on the Milky Way. Question number 5. What resemblance does he find between the stars and the daffodils? कौन कहली? What resemblance does he find between the stars and the daffodils? माने तारका और daffodil गुड़िक मध्यरे कवि केउ सादृश्यता पाइछंती? हला आंसर. The resemblance the poet finds between the stars and the daffodils is one of countlessness. Full stop. We can say the golden daffodils shine like the stars in similar fashion. कौन कहली? The resemblance the poet finds between the stars and the daffodils is one of countlessness. Full stop. We can say the golden daffodils shine like the stars in similar fashion. बुझे? Question number 6. What does the poet say about the number of flowers? But what does the poet say about the number of daffodils? माने कवि से daffodil फूल गुड़िकर संख्या विषय रे कौन कहंती? कौन कहंती? Answer. The poet says the number of flowers is numerous or countless, like countless stars, as he says that he saw 10,000 flowers at a glance. कौन कहली? The poet says the number of flowers is numerous or countless, like countless stars, as he says that he saw 10,000 flowers at a glance. बुझी होची? Question 7. Where are the flowers? बा where are the daffodils? फूल गुड़िक केउठारे अछि? ये केउठारे थिला? बा daffodils गुड़िक केउठारे थिला? Answer हबो the flowers were beside the lake beneath the trees. माने रहिला जे फूल गुड़िक ह्रद पार्श्वरे गछ तळे थिला. हैला. Question 8. Which of the two dance more sprightly, the waves or the daffodil? माने दुईटी नृत्य मध्यरु केउ नृत्यटी अधिक जीवंत थिला? daffodil मानकर नृत्य ना तरंगर नृत्य? Answer. The daffodils danced more sprightly. daffodil गुड़िक अधिक जीवंत भावरे नृत्य करुथिले. हेला. Question 9. How does the poet feel while looking at the daffodils? कवि जेतले daffodils गुडी को देखिले सेतले से कौन अनुभव कले? कौन कहला? What does the poet feel while looking at the daffodils? Answer: the poet feels great joy looking at the daffodils. Full stop. The sight of golden daffodils create a gay inspiration to him. Author कहूची, the poet feels great joy looking at the daffodils. The sight of golden daffodils create a great joy inspiring to him. Question number 10. What happens to the poet when he lies on his couch? कवि जेतेबेले तांको पलंकरे गड़ी थांती सेतेबेले तांकर कौन हुए? Answer: when the poet lies on his couch in thoughtful or thoughtless mood, memory of golden daffodils dance flash upon his inward eyes, and he feels like dancing with the daffodils. Author कहूची answer: when the poet lies on his couch in thoughtful or thoughtless mood, memory of golden daffodils dance flashed upon his inward eyes, and he feels like dancing with the daffodils. बुझी होची? Question number 11. Mention the two moods of the poet. कविंकर दुईटी मनोभाव उल्लेख कर. माने विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ को दुईटी मनोभाव पोषण करुथिले जेतले से daffodils गुडी को देखिले? कौन हबो? आंसर: the two moods of the poet are vacant or free from thought, and pensive or thoughtful mood. हैला तेबे विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ दुईटी मूड कौन थिला? The two moods of the poet are vacant माने चिंता शून्य, और free from thought माने चिंता शून्य, and pensive और thoughtful mood चिंतापूर्ण मनोभाव. दीटा मनोभाव थिला. Question number 12. What does the poet feel when he remembers the sight of the daffodils? कवि जेतेबेले daffodils गुड़िकर दृश्य मने पकांती से कौन अनुभव करंती? कौन कहली? What does the poet feel when he remembers the sight of the daffodils? Answer: when the poet remembers the sight of the daffodils, he feels great joy of his solitude, and his heart starts to dance with the memory of daffodils. Author कहूची, when the poet remembers the sight of dancing daffodils, he feels great joy of his solitude, and his heart starts to dance with the memory of daffodils. बुझी होची तो? Question 13. What figures of speech do you find in the poem Daffodil? कौन कहला? What figures of speech do you find in the poem Daffodils? Answer. Metaphor and simile are the figure of speech of the poem Daffodils. Daffodil poem रे दुईटी figure of speech देखिबा को मिले, गोटे होछि metaphor आ गोटे simile. हैला. Question 14. 10,000 I saw at a glance. Is it an exaggeration? Will you call it a hyperbole? माने ये जो एक्सप्रेशन 10,000 I saw at a glance, एटा कौन है? एटा गोटे एक्सैजरेशन ना हाइपरबोल? आंसर. It is an exaggeration and we call it hyperbole. हैला. एटा एक्सैजरेशन अटे, एक्सैजरेशन गुडी को हमें हाइपरबोल बोली कहथौ. Question 15. What figure of speech does the poet use in quotation रे अछि they stretched in a never ending line? ये जो एक्सप्रेशन they stretched in a never ending line, यही एक्सप्रेशन रे कवि क्यों फिगर ऑफ स्पीच व्यवहार करिसंती? कौन हबो? आंसर हबो इट इज ए हाइपरबोल. एटा हाइपरबोल. Question 16. Where did the poet see the daffodils and what does he compare them with? कवि daffodils गुडी को कोठी देखिले, से गुडी को कहा सहित तुलना करिसो? एटा बही रे थिबा प्रश्न नहे, एटा एडिशनल क्वेश्चन, अतिरिक्त प्रश्न. आउ थरे मो क्वेश्चन टा कहूची. Where did the poet see the daffodils and what does he compare them with? माने कवि daffodils गुडी को केउठी देखिले एवं से गुडी को कहा सहित तुलना करिसंती? Answer. The poet saw the daffodils under the trees beside the lake. Pushta. He compares them with the countless stars shining in the Milky Way. Hello? कौन कहला? The poet saw the daffodils under the trees beside the lake. He compares them with the countless stars shining in the Milky Way. Question 17. What does the poet feel when he remembers the sight of the daffodils? Daffodils गुड़िकर दृश्य मने पड़िले कवि कौन अनुभव करंती? Answer. When the poet remembers the sight of the daffodils, he feels everlasting joy and he feels like dance with the daffodils. आउ थरे कहिबी. When the poet remembers the sight of the daffodils, he feels everlasting joy and he feels like dance with them. Question 18. What impact did the dancing daffodils have on the poet? कौन कहिली? What impact did the dancing daffodils have on the poet? नृत्यरत daffodil गुड़िक कविंक उपरे क्यों प्रभाव प्रकाश? Answer. The poet was deeply enchanted by the beauty of dancing daffodils. It seemed to him to be a great wealth, and he thought the flowers were jocund company to him. Actually, the poet was deeply enchanted by the beauty of dancing daffodils. It seemed to him to be a great wealth, and he thought the flowers were jocund company to him. एमिति भावरे आमे डैफोडिल्स पोएम रो क्वेश्चन आंसर गुडी को आलोचना करलु। नेक्स्ट क्लास रे डैफोडिल्स पोएम रो ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन आंसर आलोचना करिबी, ताहा मध्ये आपण माने पीडीएफ फाइल रु पाई परिबे। आज जहा आलोचना करली एगुडी को पीडीएफ रु संग्रह करंतु, आवर इंग्लिश ट्यूशन चैनल पीडीएफ रु संग्रह करंतु, ताको प्रैक्टिस करंतु।